guys! Today I'm sharing Sedum Morganianum care tips. If you like succulents and you also like bigger plants that grow vines, the Sedum Morganianum is a fantastic plant for you. This succulent is very easy to take care of, like most other succulents. Let's discover how we can take care of your beautiful Sedum Morganianum and help it thrive in your house. If you've taken care of other succulents before, taking care of a Sedum Morganianum won't be much different than what you're used to. The Sedum Morganianum is a big plant, but it's still also just a succulent, which means it's quite easy to take care of. Watering your Sedum Morganianum is definitely a very low-maintenance task, because you won't have to water it very often. Ideally, you water your sedum once every month if your sedum is growing in a darker place. If your sedum is growing in a bright and sunny place, you should water your sedum once every 2 to 3 weeks. The sunlight makes the environment warm and evaporates the moisture in the soil more quickly, so you'll have to water it a little more often. Not only is this plant easy to take care of, can grow big, it's also very versatile when it comes to light. This makes it a great houseplant for any room in your house. The Sedum Morganianum loves a sunny place, but it also does quite well in a low-light spot. The difference between placing your sedum in bright spot instead of a low-light spot is that it'll grow more quickly in the sunny spot. Most succulents need a lot of direct sunlight to grow properly without becoming leggy. The sedum is a plant that grows long vines and doesn't become leggy from not getting the bright sunlight it ideally likes to get. When you place your sedum in a sunny spot in your house, make sure to water it a little more often, like I've explained in the previous section. The warmth from the sun evaporates the moisture in the soil more quickly, and the plant also grows more quickly. If you really want to forget about taking care of your sedum, it's a good idea to place it in a darker place. In the section about watering your sedum, we've learned that your succulent likes to dry out completely before you water it again. The sedum is quite sensitive to overwatering, so we'll need a way to get rid of excess water quickly. The soil will help us to get rid of this excess water quickly and keep the oxygen flowing to the roots of the sedum. The perfect type of soil is a mix between potting soil, perlite or pumice, and sand. This type of soil doesn't hold on to moisture for a long time and lets it drain to the bottom of the pot quite quickly. Your sedum doesn't like moist soil, so a mix of these ingredients will get rid of this moisture after a day or two. This allows the sedum to soak up as much moisture as it can, but not be at risk of overwatering. The ideal mix is 40% soil, 30% perlite or pumice, and 30% sand. This should drain the excess water nearly instantly to the bottom of the pot, while holding on for a small amount of moisture. In this plant care video, we've looked at how you can take care of your Sedum Morganianum. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helps you to keep your plants healthy and beautiful.